Hi, it's Leslie from Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and today I'm making puppy dog ornaments. So this is actually a reindeer ornament cookie cutter that I got from Sinful Cutters. I'll leave a link in the description, but I wanted to make it into a puppy dog ornament. So I outlined the ornament part and flooded it in with a red royal icing in about 15-second consistency, and then I added some sprinkles to the ball. I let the ball dry for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I went back and piped in the legs of my dog. I'm using about a 12-second icing consistency here. I let that dry, and then I piped in the face, and I let it dry again. Once the icing had set up, I went ahead and added the ears and used my Scribe to help shape them the way I wanted them. I then added the tail, and using black royal icing in a 15-second consistency, I added the nose and the eyes, and then I'm going to pipe a little tongue that when it dries I will color in with a pink marker. And now I'm adding the reindeer headband using a 15-second royal icing consistency in brown, and I'm using my Scribe to help shape the antlers. Then I'm going to write in Merry Wolfmas. I'm just going to freehand it, but you can use a projector if you wish. These ornaments came out so cute. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching and happy holidays. Merry Wolfmas!